Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my monthly favorites. I am so behind. I know I'm so behind, but I had to get this video out there for you guys because some of you were asking. And so I just wanted to tell you guys what my February favorites were. There are not many products, so it's really hard to think of your favorites every month because sometimes it takes a little over a month for you to see if you really like that product. But I can certainly tell you that I've been loving these products from January through February, even up until now. And it's not all makeup products that I'm going to talk about today. Majority are makeup products. Then I have a YouTube channel that I've been loving lately, and that's been my favorite for the month of February and throughout this month of March. And yeah, so without any more talking, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for more monthly favorites. Also turn that notification bell so you won't miss an upload. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my monthly favorites. Alright, so starting with primers, because I've been having two primers that I've been using a lot in February and this month of March so far. You guys heard me talk about the Dr. BRANDT PORE No More Illuminizer Primer. I've been loving this primer. It definitely gives you luminosity under your foundation. So if you're using a foundation like one that I'm going to talk about that I've been loving from the drugstore in this video, then this definitely will help for those of you who are wondering if this foundation will work for you because you have dry skin. Any primer that has some type of luminosity in it, that will help you it won't allow the foundation to cling onto your dry spots on your face. So I've been loving, like I said, the PORE No More Dr. BRANDT Illuminizer Primer. It smells really good to me. It just smells fresh. And it's super soft and it gives you that glow. Yeah, the Dr. BRANDT Illuminizer Primer will be perfect if you feel like you have dry skin to use certain matte foundations. This will work wonders under your foundation. The other primer that I've been loving is the Toofaced HANGOVER Replenishing Face Primer. This primer right here is so moisturizing. And I didn't believe it at first because it says with coconut water, probiotic based ingredients and skin revivers. It is silicone free. So this right here hydrates my skin like no other, and it does keep my makeup on throughout the day. So when I'm wearing this primer today, and I have on the NARS Natural Radiant foundation on top, and I've been loving that combination these past couple days. So this Toofaced HANGOVER primer is a must. Definitely been my favorite. Now on to the foundation that has been my favorite. I don't have the high-end one yet. The NARS, I would say will probably be the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, but I don't have the actual bottle. I've been testing out using a sample size, so we'll get to that in another video. But the drugstore foundation that I've been loving is the Maybelline Stay Matte Foundation, the 24-hour one. This has been my favorite drugstore foundation. It definitely reminds me of the Fenty Beauty, because this one, it doesn't claim to be a, oh yeah, it says a seamless matte finish, and the Fenty one is a semi-matte finish, but to me the Maybelline one is just a bit more moisturizing. So like I said, if you have dry skin and you're worried about if you can use this foundation, certainly you can. If you want to just secure that it's not going to cling on to your dry patches, use a illuminating primer. It doesn't have to be the Dr. BRANDT, but you can find so many illuminating primers out there. And if you want a hydrating primer, you can certainly get the HANGOVER one by Too Faced. Another face product that I've been loving this past few months in the month for the month of February, I guess you could say monthly favorites, is the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Makeup Setting Spray Environmental Defense. This setting spray, if you've seen my Too Faced Gold Chocolate eyeshadow palette look that I did, this thing worked wonders on that eyeshadow. So you can use this to intensify your eyeshadows. This definitely works for whatever environment you're in, whether it's a rainy day or a hot day or a dusty, foggy day. Your makeup will stay in place by using this setting spray. So if you haven't tried this particular all-nighter one, then definitely try and get your hands on it. It is really good. It has a time-release temperature-controlled technology in it, which is what causes it to work in any weather environment condition that you may, wherever you live, it will work. So that is that. One of my favorite highlighters that I've been using so much since I got it. I got this in the beginning of February, which is my birthday in the beginning of February. And I've been using this ever since. Like, it's my go-to highlighter because it just sits not only on top of the skin, but it just seems like you're glowing from within. And I'm not even like exaggerating. The Artist Couture highlighter is bomb. I talked about it in another video, but it is so bomb. Like, look at that. It's just so, it's like finely milled, and it just, you can put this all over your body if you wanted to and just have a really, really nice glow. And then for the lips, and then I have one more product, and that's basically it that I've been loving lately. I haven't really been wearing a lot of color to work like I normally would on my lips. I just been doing my everyday makeup and my eyebrows. But I've been loving the MAC. Which one is this? This is from the holiday collection. So sorry you won't be able to purchase it, or when I won't be able to like give you a link down below. This one is called Iced Over. It's the VAMPLIFY lip gloss that they had for the holiday collection. But it's just like this really, really pretty gold iridescent type of shine. You can use it as a topper, or you can wear it by itself. I've been pairing it with my NYX lip liner in the color Nude Truffle, and I've just been wearing both of these together, and it's been giving me so much life. That is the NYX Nude Truffle pencil on my skin tone, and then right next to it is that gloss, the VAMPLIFY gloss by MAC. So I've been loving this combo for like my everyday work makeup that I've been doing, and yeah, that's for the lips. So last but not least, it is a Morphe palette. I've been using this to put on like just a transitional shade to give me some dimension in my eyes. It is the Morphe 3502 palette. And also a little trick I've been doing, I've been using these transitional shades. I just hit it with my nail, dang it. I've been using these transitional shades to put in the crease, but this particular color right here, let me see what color it is. Let me put the sheet back on. Muddy. This color right here, Muddy. What I've been doing is, after I line my eyebrows with my Benefit Precisely Brow Pencil in the number 5, I've been putting Muddy on top of it and like in the front part. So I'll use a pencil to line my eyebrows and then fill in the bottom, and then I'll use Muddy to fill in the rest. And it's been like getting me so many compliments, and I love it. So if you have this palette, don't hesitate to use some of these browns for your eyebrows, because we all know that pencils can cost if you keep buying them. But if you have palettes like this, you can certainly get away with using some of these colors for your brows. So yeah, the color Muddy on my skin tone. If you are similar to my skin tone and you have this palette, try using Muddy to fill in your eyebrows and see if you like it. But I've been loving to do that for these past few months. That is the Morphe 3502 palette. So yeah, that is all the makeup products. Now let me see this. I've never seen anyone do this before on YouTube when they do monthly favorites, but I just want to mention that there is this couple that I have been binge watching, and they're young, but they are funny. Like, I feel like they need to be acting somewhere. They're super funny. I'll link their channel down below if you guys haven't checked them out. They are NYX and King, and they go by Crazy Mob. I think they're so hilarious, super cute couple, and they have been doing like, they do like pranks and challenges and vlogs and stuff like that. So if you're interested in those type of videos, I'll link their channel down below. But I have been like watching their stuff and cracking up at work. So that wraps up everything that I wanted to share with you guys for my monthly favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, please. I will greatly appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up for more monthly favorites, and smash that notification bell right beside that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload. So if you enjoyed this video, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.